Hello, in this video I will show you the location and how to remove and replace the mass airflow sensor or the airflow meter on Mercedes C220 CDI W203 model. The procedure is similar for other Mercedes with the 2.2 CDI engine. So we're going to remove the engine cover. The mass airflow sensor or the MAF sensor on this car is located right here, just in front of the air filter box. In order to remove it, first we need to disconnect the connector for the mass airflow sensor and also the other connector which is for the MAF sensor. Next we're going to loosen the clamps for the air intake hose. There's two clamps, one is this one there on top and the other one is on the bottom of the air intake hose that goes into the turbo. Once I loosen the clamps, I can take out the hose. Now I'll show you where the other clamp is that I need to loosen. I need a long extension to get to that clamp, and the clamp is just down there where it's going into the turbo. Now I'm going to loosen the clamp and take out the hose from the turbo, but I'm not going to take it out completely, just get it a little bit, move it out of the way so that we can get to the two bolts holding the MAF sensor. Next I'll show you the two bolts holding the MAF sensor. One of the bolts is right there and the other one is underneath. Right there. Next I'm going to remove those two bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that I've removed the two bolts holding the mass airflow sensor, I'm just going to pull it out and that's it. We can take it out. That's the MAF sensor, that's what it looks like, and I'll show you the OEM number for the mass airflow sensor. That's it right there. Next I'm going to replace the MAF sensor with another one. The procedure for installing it is exactly the same, opposite to removing it. I'm going to tighten the two bolts holding the MAF sensor, then I'm going to put the air intake hose on the MAF sensor and on the turbo, tighten the clamps, and then I'm going to put on the two electrical connectors, one on the MAF sensor, one on the MAP sensor, and then I'm done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.